Darling! Hi everyone! Punta kami ngayon sa IKEA. The mall is so big. IKEA.
Now we gotta go check in again.
Maybe that. Punta tayo sa IKEA. Yes! So, samahan niyo po kami na gumala for today. Pupunta po kami ngayon sa IKEA. Sobrang laki ng mall. This way. Yeah, IKEA. Mowa Arena.
Hey, we're in the technology section.
Yes. Aqua Smart Card. Wow. Here. Ayan yung asawa ko. Kukuha daw siya ng ice cream. Pero nakabili na po ako ng cone. So, it's going to get some. Salamat si Ate sa pagtulong. Dito na pala tayo sa loob ng IKEA at kumuha na si Habi ng ice cream. Wow! You know how? Love me!
The lady helped me.
Oh, really? That's that baby ice cream.
And then I dropped the coin.
Oh yeah, I saw. Wow. How's it taste like?
Oh no.
Not vanilla, but it looks like
What is that?
so different. Hello mga palangga. Natarong diri sa IKEA. Dito tayo ngayon sa IKEA. So dito sa IKEA ng mga kitchen showroom, right? Kitchen showroom, Han? Kitchen showroom. Ito sa showroom mga palangga, very nice. Para tayo nasa bahay. You got that? Wow. Here. Ito. Very nice. This is the showroom. Here's the cabinet, Han. It's the baby. Para tayo nasa bahay lang. Wow. Very nice. Tapos they have all the cabinet.
The doors slide out.
Yes.
It's all built in.
Wow. Yeah. I like it mga palangga dahil nga kay I like this, Han, oh. Equally, ba? Yes, very good. I like it too. Slide, lang siya. Drawer.
That washer dryer.
Tapos, meron tayong idea how to, wow. Kung paano yung design ng bahay. What looks like. Ito, you want...
This is coated.
Yeah.
It'll still rust. They got stainless here. They sell it. I just gotta find it.
Oh, lucky. Ang lucky. Here, honey. O, diba? Maganda siya mga palangga kasi meron na tayong idea kung paano siya magkaroon ng ng design ng ating bahay. It's bigger. Living room, mga couches. Itong mga price na to. Here, that's not bad. My TV. I still like it. I still like it. The anuhan.
They don't have it here. See, somewhere. Oh, okay, we got more to cover.
I still like those walk-in closet. Naglakad-lakad lang kami ni Habi. So, naka-voice over nga pala tayo dahil sobrang ingay ng microphone. So, for today is naghanap kami ng kitchen stuff dahil may bibilhin kami. Here, oh.
Where's the kitchen stuff?
Oh, di ba? If you want to have an idea kung may bagong bahay, mga design ng bahay. Ito ba, mura lang to, oh.
More food. Here's your restaurant.
Yeah. Restaurant. Restaurant na naman. Anyway, andito tayo sa IKEA restaurant. Parang food hall ata ito nila dito. So good, ha? They have chicken, hon. Maybe we're gonna take out for chicken. You just look.
Yeah, they got chicken wings.
Yeah. I just wanna have take out later. Where are we gonna buy for chicken?
I don't know. Probably.
Oh, there na lang. Yeah, this one. Oh, this one.
SM.
This one, okay?
Yeah, this one. Here's your CR.
Yeah, I wanna go to CR.
Put that off and go smart.
Huh? Gonna turn red now. Ay!
Very big.
Hello mga palangga! Gabi na pala.
You're gonna waste your battery. You're gonna
Yeah,
blow
yeah.
when you got to here.
Wow! Dito kami naglakad. Naglakad-lakad tayo. Papunta tayo ng supermarket. So yung pagkatapos natin sa supermarket, mag-uwi nga agad tayo. Ah! Hello everyone! Look at that, we are here in Mall of Asia. Mall of Asia. Yeah, I love MOA. Here ni. There ka. Look at that.